Hey guys, it's Bryn from Adventures with Bryn and Juju, and today we're eating at Olive Garden. We're not celebrating anything, we're just kind of wanted to get out and get something to eat, so we're at Olive Garden. Get out and enjoy ourselves. So I'll pick you guys back up once we order. Thanks, bye. So yeah guys, here's the menu. Just wanted to show you real quick. And that's the wine menu on the back. So they have a special here today. I think it's normally $20 by the bottle. $20 wines by the bottle. Moscato, sweet pink Moscato, sweet red Roscata, and red blend. I'll pick you guys back up in a minute. So hey guys, I got the Arnold Palmer iced tea and lemonade mix.
Here's some straws for you guys.
We got some straws. We're ready to order. I'll pick you guys back up in a minute. So guys, we got the shrimp risotto and some salad. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this out and the two sauces. Let's see how it tastes. Bye.